The four most important things it does is it finds vulnerabilities in web, and the salaries you can see it ranges up to 80 lakh per annum. So suit community edition software. So here is the dashboard, target, proxy, intruder, repeater, collab. Hello friends, this is Firoz Khan from GM University. So I'm starting a new series on a burp suit, a high demand cybersecurity tool which does many things, and it's an industry leading tool. You must learn, you can have a good career in this if you become an expertise of burp suit. So this is a very famous tool which is recently been like evolved into much bigger thing. It covers a lot of security related aspects. The four most important things it does is it finds vulnerabilities in web. Vulnerability means any weakness, any fault in the web applications, so that that vulnerability, if any hacker gets to know, he will completely exploit the web application. Suppose if it is a banking application, if an vulnerability occurs in banking application, then the hacker can completely exploit it. It intercepts and modifies the traffic, the network traffic, the packet structure. So it is having an ability to intercept and modifying traffic. And it analyzes the responses. So that this tool you can use to analyze the responses, the workflows in the web, to understand exactly whether any malicious traffic is flowing in the web applications, or any malicious data is been found, or any hacker is trying to like inject any malicious code into your web application, like that. So this tool is also having the services to find and analyze the responses, and this tool completely secures your web application. Yes, it provides all round security. So this makes it a very important tool to learn, and you can have a good career in this. Here I am trying to show you what kind of a career you can have and what are the attractive salary packages you can get. You can be an application security engineer, penetration tester, security consultant, red team engineer, and product security engineer. This is highly paid profession. These roles are highly paid. For example, you can see here Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, every IT giant hires burp suit professionals, and the salaries you can see it ranges up to 80 lakh per annum. So those salaries are very attractive, and this is the data which we have obtained from Indeed, Glassdoor, and Salary.com. So that's why it becomes important, like if you want to have a good, if you are an enthusiast into cybersecurity domain, and if you want to have an expertise on a tool, then this is much required. There is not much coding required. If you have a basic Python knowledge, scripting knowledge, that is enough. You don't need to be a good programming techie like kind of a thing. If you like having a less programming interest and more tool oriented, and you are enthusiast in exploring things, then this is the best tool for you. You can like cultivate your interest in this tool and become a master of this tool, and this will make you like establish a good career in this. In this video, I will teach you three different things, like downloading the burp suite, installation, and configuring it, setting up its environment. So this is all the things that I'm going to teach in this video. To download Burp Suite, you just need to Google it, and I recommend you go with the community edition because it's a paid tool. So for beginners and learners, it is preferred that you go for the community edition. Directly, you can type on download Burp Suite community edition. So you will be landed up to this page. You can also check on products, and there is a Burp Suite community edition available in their official Portsbigger website, so that you can download. So you have to download for Windows, Windows x64. Linux version is also available, but most of you are not having installed a Linux in your system, so that's why I'm recommending you go for Windows. So here it has been downloaded, and now I'm installing it in my PC. So installation is very easy. Normally you have to just click on next, and it will get installed in your system. So it will ask for running the Burp Suite. So this is Burp Suite official community edition software that you can install on your Windows. Okay, so as I had already installed it, it is asking. So you have to select the temporary project in memory. So click on next. So you have to select the use burp defaults because you're not having any project now because first time you're setting it up. So that's why you have to use the burp defaults here. So it is getting setting up. So this is the first thing you can see when you open this particular Burp Suite Community Edition software. So here is the dashboard, target, proxy, intruder, repeater, collaborator, sequencer, decoder, comparer, logger, organizer, extension, discover. So this is a complete set of menu that you can get. It can do many things. So we can learn it one by one. So before going to start with anything, you have to first set up the environment, the ecosystem in this. So for that, we need to go for extensions. Extensions like you have seen in the Chrome or any web browser, when you can install any application, support your application from extension is like an app store. Similarly, you have Play Store for your Android. So similarly, the extension is the app store for Burp Suite, where you can get many things, support your applications, setting up the runtime environment using the services available in the extension. So this is the extension. When you click on the Burp Suite store, you can come across many of the applications. So these are very necessary. So this is a community like contributed applications. You can also, if you are like a good programmer in Python, you can also develop some of the plugins for Burp Suite community, and you can like have this. So basically we can have many of the plugins that we need in this tutorial to install. So before that, you can walk through, like you can go through all the plugins or extension or apps available in the B app store. So the first and the foremost thing is you need an Python environment, Python environment to like environment, you need runtime environment you need to install in this particular suite, because it runs scripts, Python based scripts for analyzing the traffic. And so many of the applications are not available for community edition. For that, you need to purchase the professional edition. So that's why only few of the things which are available in the community edition that I'm going to teach you, because even I don't have the professional edition here. So you can walk through, you can go through all the applications available in the Burp Suite app store. So we require to set up the environment here, runtime environment, installing the Jython jar file and the JRuby file. These are the two basic. Java is been built in, Java virtual machine is been built in this particular tool. To set up the runtime environment, you need to download the Jython standalone jar file. Make sure you're installing, you're downloading the jar file. So the link of this website where you can get, I will provide the link of this in the description so that you can go to the actual website, source website, and can download this in your system. So after that, we need the JRuby jar file. So that also we need to like set up here. So JRuby you can search in Google also. So you just need to type the JRuby jar download file. So it will take you to the official jruby.org where you can install. So only select the .jar file. Don't select the other files. It is not compatible with the Burp Suite. So only select the highlighted things. Okay. Otherwise, I will be like downloading this and storing it in Google Drive, and I'll share the link in the description. So these are the two files which are been downloaded. Now we have to go and set up this inside our Burp Suite. So go and select this from your downloads. So you will get it here in your downloads, and select that Jython and JRuby jar file. So please remember, don't like select the rar file or all. You have to download the .jar file and you have to select the same jar file here. So that is the compatible thing with this burp suite. So here I am selecting the JRuby and I'll open. So here this has been done. So this is how you configure. Java is built in here. Python runtime environment you will configure, and JRuby. So this is required to run the scripts in the background. So these are the things that we need to do before we start with the first lesson. In the first lesson, I will teach you to configure the browser, the configure settings and configure dashboard, and we will go with the first demo website, tracing the website and trying to identify the vulnerabilities in the website in our next lesson. So for the continuous learning and for any cybersecurity related things, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.